Welcome to today's video, guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start affiliate marketing for beginners. If you're a beginner and you're interested in starting in affiliate marketing, stick around. We're getting ready to start on that right now. Alrighty, guys. As I stated before here earlier, I'm going to show you how to start affiliate marketing right from the beginning for free if you're interested in starting an affiliate marketing business, but you just don't quite know where to start. Okay? All right, well, first of all, affiliate marketing is just, for those of you that don't know, affiliate marketing is just where companies or networks or people that have products offer for you to be able to sell their products for them, and then they pay you a commission for doing that. So that's pretty much what affiliate marketing is. It's just like you have a company or a person that has a product, and you sell that person or company's products to a market, and you get paid a commission for bringing the customer to the product or the company, right? When a product is sold. Okay, so that's what affiliate marketing is. That's the meaning of it and what it is in a nutshell there. Okay. So first of all, we're going to start with a affiliate marketing network that for online marketing here that is fairly well known, and most of you know it. It's called Clickbank, right? We use Clickbank because it's so easy. It's so easy to work with. And there's many other networks out there. There's JVZoo, there's Commission Junction, there's several others out there too that you can work with as well. But Clickbank is pretty much the easiest. So what you're going to do is come over to clickbank.com, as you see here, and then you're going to, if you don't have an account, you're just going to create an account. It's easy enough. Click on create account. It will be up here at the upper right. I'm already logged into my account here now, and they'll ask you for some personal information, your banking information, and then account information. Now the banking information, that's for if so they know where to send your money when you get paid, right? All right, so just sign up for an account, and then you're going to log in, and you're going to come over to this page here, and then we're going to click on Marketplace, and that brings you to this right here. And as you see, they have several categories right here on the left to click on. Now, the three main markets that you want to stick with, although you can do whatever you want, and I recommend that you go with your passion, right? If you have a passion for something, you certainly want to get involved in that, and you find a product that you can market that you like and that you love. Okay, but the three main niches, three main markets are health, wealth, and relationships. Those three, those are going to always be profitable on the internet and in the world for that matter. Those three categories have several sub niches below them. Okay, so so for this example, what I'm going to do is go to e-business and marketing because I'm an affiliate marketer and I like affiliate marketing. That's my passion, and helping people to better their lives and make money. All right, and that's what this channel is all about. Which, by the way, my name is Kevin Lehner with freedommotivator.com, and if this is your first time to my videos or to my channel, make sure that you reach down there below and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified of when we upload new videos, which we do fairly regularly. Okay, and what we do here is, like I said, affiliate marketing videos, how-to videos, anything to do with making money online to help you live the life of freedom. And once in a while, we'll throw a motivational video in there for you too as well on the channel. All right, so all right, let's get back to what we're doing here. So anyways, I'm going to choose the e-business and marketing category right here. And as you see, there's several sub-niche categories in this. And we're going to take the top one here, which is affiliate marketing, since that's what we're talking about, right? All right, so if I click on that, and then we see all of the offers here, all of the different products that are currently being sold at this time on Clickbank. Now, what you want to search for here, you can see where you can sort the results by here. Right now they're sorted by popularity, but I'm going to change that up. We want to search by gravity here. You see it says gravity there. And why do we search by gravity? Well, what gravity means is you see it right here. For example, this top one here, affiliate bots, version 2.02, 37 tools across there. You see that the gravity right here is 82.79 right there. What that means is that there's a lot of people that are out there, approximately 83 or 100 people, around 100 people that are currently marketing this product, and obviously they're making money because of so many people that are marketing this product. And if you look down through, you see the gravity on each one of these offers down through here. And if it's above 20 or higher, then you know it's probably a pretty good product and people are making money with it. Okay, so excuse me. And what we're going to do is, for example, we'll take this one right here. Now there's other products up here that you can do. For example, this one here, you can make a sale. When you make a sale, you'll get paid $504 per sale. When somebody buys the super affiliate system here, you'll get from your marketing, you'll get paid $500 for that. Okay, but for the purposes of our example today, is we're going to take this 12-minute affiliate system here, and it's got a good about 49.02 on the gravity, so there's quite a few people selling this or marketing this on the internet, and it's obviously doing pretty good. And you get $62.19 per sale. So what you want to do here at this point, if you can check out the affiliate site by loading it up, and you can come over and there's a little video about it, and you can look down. You just want to make sure that it's a good site. It's well made out. It doesn't look cheap, which this site looks pretty good. It looks pretty professional. And then you can come down and look through it. This particular product has some upsells to it that are offered to people, and you can make more money, of course, if people buy the upsells or so on and so forth. This is the front end product right here. And then you have upsell one and then backsell, upsell, whatever you want to call it. They got back end sales, and you can make more money if the person who buys, when they're offered this and they happen to buy that upsell, you will also make money on top of that as well. Okay. And anyways, just you can, they got an affiliate link generator here. They got the promotional banners, and you can see this is a pretty professional, well done looking website right here with email swipes. If you have an email list, you can send these emails and just kind of tailor them to what you want it to be. And then they have subject lines up here and stuff that you can use as well. All right, so we looked at the website, the affiliate site, and it looks pretty professional. Looks like a pretty good product. And so when we come back, what we want to do is we want to click on the promote button here, although you can go to the affiliate site there and get your link as well. But we'll just, for this example, we'll just click on promote right here. So if we click on promote, it comes up, gives your nickname. This is my nickname here. You can add a tracking ID if you'd like to too, so you can track where your clicks are coming from. Okay, that's pretty important too. That's some more advanced marketing techniques that we won't get into in this example right here. All right, so then we just click on generate hop links, and you see it gives us this link right here. All right, this link right here is your link to the affiliate marketing page, where when someone clicks that link, comes over to the affiliate marketing page, and then when they buy, you get paid the $62.19, right? So we want to copy this link. Now that's a pretty ugly link. As you can see there, that link is long and kind of ugly looking, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to come over, we're going to take that link, and I'm going to show you we can make that link a little bit shorter and look a little bit better. We're going to come to a site called bit.ly.com, as you see up here in the address bar. And what they do is they'll shrink your link up and make it look better. So it's pretty easy. You just click in here and put your link right in there, paste it in there. And there's our hop link, or our affiliate link that we will direct people to and through to the product, so that you can make money that way. And so we'll click on shorten, and you see right here it gives us this shorter link here. I don't know if you can see it, or there it is. You can see that shorter link right there is the link that you want. So you want to copy that link, and just click on copy, or you can highlight it and right click and choose copy to, whichever. So you copy that link. Now, when you want to save that link too, like put it in Notepad or somewhere, you want to save that link. And then now, to market the product, you can come over to like Facebook, if you have a Facebook account. And when you log into Facebook, you now they're wanting me to authenticate. This is my browser throwing this at me here. I think they just gave me a code here. Again, I apologize for this. It's because I cleared my browsing history out here. It won't take a second. They just sent this to me. I'll add this in here. 32665, right? I think that's right. No, that's not it. And let's get it right here. 320748. There we go. All right. So anyways, they sent me a text on that to put that in there because Facebook is seeing me as blogging in as somebody different because I cleared the history out of my browser earlier. Anyways, you want to come to like Facebook if you have a Facebook account, and then you're just going to click in the search engine. I don't know if it'll let me. There we go. Click in the search engine here, and then just type in, say for example, affiliate marketing groups, right? Here you see all these groups here finally loaded up on the page here. But anyways, you're going to join a few of these groups. You want to get a view, like this one has 84,000 members and 23,000, 112,000. You know, join these groups that have high amounts of members in them, and then provide value in the group and start to get yourself known by being a part of the group and being active in it for a short period of time and answering people's questions. And then, for example, you come in and you may answer a question, and then you can post your link and say that, here's an affiliate product that I've tried out, the 12-minute affiliate system. It's a hot offer, and I've tried it out, and you might try this one out, right? And then just paste your link in there after you offer them to try out your affiliate link because maybe you bought the product and it helped you, right? So the same thing, you're going to offer value to people in the groups and then post your link underneath where you stated that, this might help you out if you try this here, and then post your link. And if somebody clicks on it, this is just one example. You can do it on Instagram. You can put your link on Instagram in your profile there. You're allowed one link on your Instagram profile, right? You can paste it there. And then also, but in Facebook, and then there's all kinds of Pinterest. There's all kinds of other places that you can paste your link or put your link in. And then when somebody clicks on your link, then they're going to go over, and if they like the product and they buy the product, then of course you're going to make that $62 commission right there. You're going to get that. You're going to get paid that commission. So that's how affiliate marketing works for beginners. If you're a beginner, that's how you do it. That's the easy way to begin to get involved in it. But there's other more advanced techniques that you can use as well involved in this too. But that's not what I wanted to explain today. I just want to show you how to get started in it as a beginner. Okay, all right guys, that's what I had for you. If you like this video, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to reach down there below and hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, and click the bell so you get notified of when I upload new videos, which I do fairly regularly here. Okay, so all right guys, if you want to see my #1 top recommended affiliate business, which I'm involved in, just click the link down there underneath in the description down there where it says mentorwithkev.com. Okay, and you can check that out, and you'll get $3,600 worth of bonuses to check out the affiliate marketing business that I'm involved in. Okay, alrighty guys, with that I'll let you go, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days on the next video. You guys have a great day. Bye bye now.